I think I messed up my cruise control. Now it won't turn on at all. Let's see what went wrong and how to fix it. First, check if your brake lights are working. If they're out, your cruise control won't turn on, since the system relies on the brake light switch. Next, make sure you're actually going fast enough. Cruise control usually only works above 25 miles per hour. Still not working? Check if the cruise control button lights up when you press it. If it doesn't, there might be an issue with the button or fuse. Also, look for any warning lights on your dashboard. If your check engine or ABS light is on, your car might disable cruise control for safety. Finally, double-check you're not resting your foot on the brake pedal. Even light pressure can turn cruise control off. If none of these steps fix the issue, it might be time to visit a mechanic. Sometimes the problem is a faulty sensor or electronic part your dealer needs to check. Remember, don't try to fix electrical parts yourself unless you know what you're doing, and always stay safe on the road. That's it. Simple ways to get your Hyundai Elantra's cruise control back in action. Safe travels.